Okay, this is going to be our first video of starting a cabin. All I got to film this thing with is an iPad, and so we're not really good at it. There's my granddaughter up there. One of my granddaughters is behind me. She's going to do the filming. I'm going to try to do this fast forward like our Peak does it. So we'll show you our version of fast forward. There you go, Kaylee. You hold her steady now. All right, Emma Grace?
Yes.
We got to hurry. We got to hurry, so we do like this. Come on. Okay, that's all for now. Let me get back around here. That's all for now. Kaylee's got to go to the nursing home, so she can't film anymore. We're going, come on. We're going to film, look up at the camera.
What?
We're going to film going down to the stockpile, the dirt stockpile and all that. So I know this is kind of an awkward video, but we'll get better. We're going to go try to get a camera out today.
What?
Thanks for watching. Good luck.